Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can know your personality trait or a tutorial of the Taiwan Expo personality test that we commonly see on Instagram stories. So if you also want to know your personality trait, then please keep on watching. Yeah. So guys, what you first want to do is search on Google designexpo.org.tw and then click on the first link that comes up to the Google search and just let the page load for some time. After it loads, a start or prompt page will appear, and yeah, just basically click on start and then click on let's get started. And then the questions are 12 and you'll have to answer them situationally or based on your own opinion. And based on your answers here, out of all the 12 questions, that's how the site or the Taiwan Expo site will give you a particular personality trait that is related to you. So to answer each question, just click on your answer and then click on done after choosing your answer. Continue to do this until you reach or finish all the 12 questions. I won't show all the 12 questions in this video so that you can do it for yourself, but yeah, I just skipped until the last question. So yeah, when you're done with all the 12 questions, just click on done. You also have the option here to add your name or your nickname and then click on done. And then wait for the site to generate your personality trait. So yeah, this is what I got. I got the personality trait electric, which has different innate personalities and character traits. So my personality is kind of funny because it just shows how confused I am with all the questions and stuff. And for my character traits, I don't know what this is, but yeah. It also shows who you're most compatible with. Like I'm compatible with ice and flying character traits, so if you see on others' Instagram stories that they're ice or they're flying, then you're probably most compatible with them and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. It also shows who you're least compatible with. And yeah, now that you're done with the Design Expo personality trait test, you can now put it on your Instagram stories. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment or question down below. This has been Tori, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!